Imagine a world where your doctor consults with an AI to diagnose your illness with incredible accuracy. Picture self-driving cars navigating bustling city streets, eliminating accidents caused by human error. This is not science fiction. This is the reality artificial intelligence is weaving into our lives. The revolution is no longer on the horizon, it is here, transforming our world in profound ways. As AI systems rapidly learn and evolve, they're no longer confined to research labs, but are becoming increasingly integrated into our everyday experiences. From the smartphones we use to the cars we drive, AI is subtly and not so subtly reshaping our interactions with technology and, consequently, with each other. This new era of intelligence promises unprecedented possibilities, but it also presents us with crucial questions about the future we are creating. The future of AI is not predetermined, but will be shaped by the choices we make today. As we embrace the transformative power of AI, we must proceed with both enthusiasm and caution, ensuring that this powerful tool is used for the betterment of humanity and the preservation of our values. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction movies. It is deeply embedded in the fabric of our daily lives. Open your phone and you will likely interact with AI multiple times before you even unlock the screen. Facial recognition unlocks your phone, AI algorithms curate your social media feeds, and voice assistants answer your questions in an instant. Step into your kitchen and you might find a smart refrigerator suggesting recipes based on its contents, or a voice-activated speaker playing your favorite music. Our homes are becoming increasingly automated, with AI managing everything from our thermostats to our security systems, making our lives more convenient and efficient. Beyond our homes, AI is revolutionizing the workplace. From automating repetitive tasks to providing data-driven insights, AI is changing how we work and interact with businesses. Whether it's a chatbot answering customer queries or an algorithm optimizing logistics and supply chains, AI is enhancing productivity and efficiency across industries. The impact of AI extends far beyond our homes and workplaces. It is revolutionizing entire industries and fields of study. In medicine, AI is being used to detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. This is leading to more accurate diagnoses, improved treatment outcomes, and ultimately saving lives. Education is another field being transformed by AI. Intelligent tutoring systems are providing personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's needs and pace. AI-powered tools are automating administrative tasks, freeing up educators to focus on what they do best, teaching and mentoring students. The business world is also experiencing a seismic shift due to AI. From optimizing marketing campaigns to predicting customer behavior, businesses are leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service, providing instant and personalized support 24/7. Creativity is another domain where AI is making its mark. AI algorithms are composing music, generating art, and even writing scripts, pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. While some fear AI will replace human creativity, others see it as a powerful tool that can enhance and amplify our creative potential. Section 4, the double-edged sword of AI. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, we must also acknowledge and address the potential risks and ethical concerns it presents. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they're capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans, potentially leading to job losses in certain sectors. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, and if this data reflects existing societal biases, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This is particularly concerning in areas like criminal justice, where AI is being used to predict recidivism rates. The rise of deepfakes, AI-generated synthetic media that can be incredibly realistic, raises concerns about misinformation and manipulation. Deepfakes can be used to spread fake news, damage reputations, and even influence elections, posing a significant threat to democracy and social trust. The development of autonomous weapons systems, or killer robots powered by AI raises profound ethical questions about accountability and the future of warfare. Giving machines the power to make life-or-death decisions without human intervention is a deeply unsettling prospect with potentially catastrophic consequences. Section 5. Steering AI's trajectory. The future of AI is not predetermined but will be shaped by the choices we make today. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that aligns with human values and benefits all of humanity. This requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration between policymakers, researchers, and the public. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI systems. These guidelines should address issues such as bias, transparency, accountability, and the responsible use of data. Education and public awareness are crucial in ensuring that people understand the potential benefits and risks of AI and can engage in informed discussions about its impact on society. It is essential to foster a future where AI complements and augments human capabilities rather than replacing us altogether. This involves investing in education and training programs that equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. The AI revolution is upon us, presenting us with both unprecedented opportunities and complex challenges. By embracing a future where AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all, we can harness its transformative power to create a better, more equitable, and more sustainable future for generations to come.